In this lesson, we are going to learn about nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word. Nouns can be used to name people. For example, Michael is a talented musician. In this example, Michael is the name of a person. Therefore, Michael is the noun. John is my neighbor. John is the noun. I have a new teacher. In this example, teacher is the noun. A noun is a word to name an animal. For example, my cat loves to nap in the sun. In this example, cat is an animal. It is a noun. The dog chased its tail in circles. In this example, dog is the noun. A talking parrot is for sale. Parrot is the noun. A noun is also a word used to name a place. For example, school, shop, Paris, park, kitchen. These are all examples of nouns. A noun is also a word used to name a thing. For example, the table is made of oak wood. In this example, table is the noun. He forgot his phone at home. Phone is the noun. I'm going to read a new book. Book is the noun. These are all examples of things. Therefore, they are nouns. A noun is also a word used to name an idea. For example, her smile reflected her inner happiness. Happiness is an idea. It is a noun. You and I have a good friendship. Friendship is a noun. Hard work helps you achieve success. Success is the noun in this example. Now it's your turn. Can you identify all the nouns? Pause the video and complete the activity. You will now be shown the correct answers. The following are all examples of nouns: candle, car, bird, Ben, tree, coat, owl, tiger, tie, plane. Please note that these nouns all have different names. There are different types of nouns. Be sure to watch our other videos to find out what the names of the different nouns are. Here's another activity for you to complete. Add nouns to the following sentences. She bought a new. The sang in the morning. The children played in the. We visited last summer. Pause the video and complete the activity. Write your answers in the comments below. Good luck!